So I need to ask these people on Power 106. Election done now. You had 1 year to chit chat and talk all sorts of stupidness, good and bad. And now it done. It done now, Election is over. Same people calling after election, talking the same stupidness, it is over. So now that election is over, and the government is back in power for third term, the people vote them. It means your people did not go out and vote. Them stay over and cock up them foot. They didn't go out and vote. Or they didn't care to vote because they didn't see any reason to. They're happy with what's happening now. So what are you going to do now for the next end of the year? Every time you come on the radar, you're going to talk about the GLP and how the GLP this and the GLP that and the GLP this. You can't find anything else to speak about, then you need to close that radio station because there's so much other topics. Mark Golin went on the stage and he gave his speech, which he did very diplomatic, and he did it in a great way, and I congratulate him. He took his defeat, how to move on to the next one. You guys are taking the baton and you come on the radio about how PMP put the country back together after recession. And were you sleeping? Because I wasn't sleeping, I was alive, and I don't know who put anything back together. And that is the past. We're now in the future. So now that we have an even house, they're even almost, the PMP under Mark Golin took them from 14 dege seats. That means they were in disarray. They didn't do nothing. To 29 seats. It means that he is now turning around the party. And the PGLP have 33 or 34 seats. It is close. So now there's accountability. There's a way to work together. There's a way to move on from the chit, flip, flop, and all the stupidness you're saying on the radio. There's a way for the two parties to work together and build this for the better of Jamaica. Why don't you come off of the station now and go walk? Go to the party them and walk. Make the changes. Go on the road. Go on the street. Do the things that you need to do to make it better. Rather than get up every day on the radio talking the same thing over and over and over and over again. It is done now. It is finished. You had all your say to kill them and how them flip-flop and how them are thief and how them corrupt and how them dummies and finally me start to pack up and go because he's a dummy and all of that you did not work. It didn't work. So something not right because it didn't work. What I find is when people speak bad about you all the time, it means something wrong. When somebody keeps speaking bad about somebody, and they're in a good position, I have to wonder if that person is such a great person. That's the only way that they can try to put them down, is to speak bad about them. I have to wonder about that. Because sometimes when you keep bashing people, that is the only way that you think you can win. That is the only way that you think you can destroy them. And usually it does not work. Come with facts. Come with facts, not fiction. Find another way to run the station. Find another way to talk about international problems that affect us. Find a way to talk about the blind and the people in Jamaica that are suffering every day. They get up and they want to make it. They want to make it happen. People that don't have a gold spoon in their mouth. People that have to work very hard to make it in life. People that are handicapped. People that need help. Find a way to find them help. Get some corporate people to talk about how they can help them. If you put your energy into fixing the problems of Jamaica rather than your energy completely bashing the government every single day, you'll be better off. Because this is your government now. Like it or don't, it is your government. And I want to tell you, if I was in charge of that government and you keep bashing me, I'll make your life very difficult for you. It is now over. My 2 cents.